look look like a ring.
Oh, yeah, they also use money which look like ring. So, and for example, when people used to pay by seashells, why they choose to pay by shells and not by, for example, wood or something else?
แต่คิดว่าทำไมเขาถึงใช้หอยอะค่ะ
Why do you think they use shells for pay?
ทำไมเขาถึงใช้หอยในการ
Not
เป็น
wood, for example.
as a
Maybe
money
wood would be more useful than shells. Why do you use shells?
ทำไมเราไม่ใช้ต้นไม้ใบไม้ Why we use shell What do you think
I think
Or actually, yeah.
tree is not broken so easily.
Okay.
Shell didn't when we throw away, but they didn't break and it's not very heavy too.
Okay, right. It's not very heavy. Yes, it's easy to transport, actually. I have even heard that people, of the prisoners in like a prisoner camp, used to use cigarettes as their money.
หรือคือ cigarette ไม่รู้
Cigarettes.
cigarette
They have no money. Cigarettes.
Yes.
Because
cigarette is-
everybody in the prison got like a certain amount of cigarettes per day or per week. I don't know. No matter whether he was actually using them. And as they were like kind of easy to transport and easy to exchange and so on, so they start using it as the money because they don't have a real money, you know, in the prisoners camp. So people can start using all kinds of things for money. And now today we will read something about money, actually, quite interesting things about money. But before that, we need to learn some vocabulary that would be useful for our article. So let's open your student books.
To page 42.
Yes.
Right, correct. Page 42.
เด็กเปิดไมค์ตอบได้นะคะ You can turn on your mic
Page 42 and 43, and let's look up on the top of the page. So okay. So now listen. Listen to how these new words are being pronounced. Sorry, I have to do some changes in my computer.
Stone. Shapes. Round. Credit card. Become. Look like.
Okay.
Module 4. Reading time. Vocabulary. Bill. Stone. Shapes. Round. Credit card. Become. Look like.
Okay, so what is a bill?
Bill.
เด็กคะบิลคืออะไรล่ะ
What is a bill?
Yes
What is a bill?
บิลคืออะไรคะเด็ก
Bank money.
Oh.
Some money.
It's title
Okay.
money Okay
So it's kind of money, but what are these money made of?
Piece of paper.
It's
Okay, yes.
made of paper.
Actually, they are made of paper, right? Well, actually, we have different words to use for paper money. One of them is bill, but this is mostly used in American English. In other countries, maybe people would be confused when you say bill, because the word bill is used for other things as well. What is the word bill used for as beside paper money? Bill.
เด็กๆคะนอกจากคำว่า bill ที่ใช้
Bill.
แปลว่าเงินแล้ว
It has
ใช้กับอะ
several
ไรอีก
meanings. So what is the word bill used for?
ใบเสร็จเหรอ
Yes, yes. How do we call ใบเสร็จ in English? Re something.
Please check bill, please.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
like
check
bill,
bin.
please. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Correctly. Yes.
สี่
So
นะเอาหน้าหารหมดเลยมันคิดไม่ออก
What's that sound?
ก็ปิดไว้
Okay.
okay, check bin, right. So yes, so actually some people use word banknote, or just a note. It's actually quite complicated. So in American English, usually people use bill, $10 bill, and so on. But in other kinds of English, people use banknote or note.
note
Yes.
no
So,
bill,
okay, repeat everybody.
note เท่ากับ date
bill,
Bill,
Bill.
or
Bill.
banknote. How do you,
note
okay. How you actually spell bill?
สะกดยังไงเอ่ย
BILL
Correct.
BILL
Now we have another interesting word. What's this?
What is this?
What is this?
คืออะไรเอ่ย
rock
a stone
Stone.
Stone or
Okay,
rock.
yes, that's a tricky. Rock or stone. What is the difference between rock or stone?
rock กับ stone ไม่เหมือนกันนะคะ
a rock is
เสียงผู้ใดเนาะ
smaller
stone,
So what is the difference between rock and stone? Is it the
Stone.
same or not?
เหมือนกันไหมคะ
No.
ระหว่าง stone or rock
I
it-
think
Yes
stone
how
is
they different
I think a stone is a bit bigger
bigger than a rock
Right, yeah. Well, actually, opposite. Actually, rock is
rock
bigger.
is bigger than a stone
yes
Yes, rock is bigger than a stone. Well, I have been looking this up a bit, and let's look up on some geologist description, actually description of what the difference is. Okay. So the difference between rock and stones. Okay. Ah,
ถึงก็ถอนหายใจ
okay. So geologically, rock is defined as a natural material hard or soft consisting of one or more minerals. By say, so this is a rock. You see, this big thing is a rock.
rock
But a stone, it's usually much smaller. You see?
oh
So rock is big and it consists of stones. And rock actually could be soft. You can have a like softer rock. But stone is always hard. So what is different between rocks and stones? So definitions. First definition. rock
นอกจาก
is any natural material, hard or soft, consisting of one or more minerals. That might be quite complicated. But stone is a small, hard, solid, movable, non-metallic mineral matter. Okay, well, let's try what did Google Thai translator make out of this. Well, that would be actually quite funny. Thai, I'm interested what actually Thai translator say about this. Thai. Oh, no, it's actually, it's English and I want to have it in Thai, sorry. English, and I will change it to Thai.
Sure, you can
Or you can say it.
I mean like you can use Google Translate that you used before and tap to translate this page.
Yes, but I actually wanted to translate in Thai. But maybe if you try translate yourself actually to Thai.
Oh, it's okay, Tisha, I can explain them.
Yes.
เด็กๆคะระหว่าง rock กับ stone นะคะต่างกันตรงที่ว่า rock เนี่ยมันจะเป็นให้นึกถึงหน้าผาหินใหญ่ๆอะค่ะเด็กๆที่Teacher Slavo โชว์รูปให้ดูเมื่อกี้อะค่ะ Teacher can you move back to the rock picture please yes that one เนี่ยมันจะเป็น rock จะเป็นลักษณะแบบนี้เป็นผาหินแบบนี้นะคะเหมือนบ้านเราก็จะมีในแบบเช่นจังหวัดลพบุรีอะไรเงี้ยจะเป็นหินก้อนใหญ่
เรียกว่า rock climbing ใช่ไหมครับ
yes because we rock climbing เราไม่เรียกว่า stone climbing นะคะ stone ก็จะหมายถึงแบบก้อนกรวดนะคะเด็กๆก้อนกรวด ก้อนหินมันใช่มันแข็งใช่ไหมแต่มันก็แตกง่ายอยู่อะไรอย่างเงี้ยแต่ rock เนี่ยมันจะแบบมีความซับซ้อนทางเขาเรียกว่าทางฟิสิกอลนิดนึงนะคะมันก็เลยแข็งกว่าแล้วมันก็อาจจะมีเวอร์ชันอ่อนอะไรเงี้ยมีหินหลายแบบหินปูนอะไรเงี้ยพวกอย่างนั้นนะคะประมาณนี้ Any questions about rock and stone?
No questions
No question. I think it's quite clearly. Yes, it's quite clear. It's okay, teacher.
Okay. So we'll just quickly move about the difference of size. Rock is comparatively larger and stone is comparatively small. Movability. Rock is immovable. You can't just move a rock, but you can move a stone. And material. Rock can be either hard or soft. Well, not too soft, but just soft. Stone is usually hard, solid. Okay, let's move out from rock and stone. So, okay.
Stone.
Okay, repeat everybody.
Stone.
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 Very good.
How would you spell it?
STONE
Very good.
Okay. What are these?
shapes
Shapes. Correct.
Shapes.
Shapes. Can you explain shapes in Thai? Because it's like quite abstract word, Teacher Pia. Shapes.
รูปร่างค่ะเด็ก
Shapes.
Shapes. It can be square, circle, oval, rectangle ได้หมดเลยค่ะมันแปลว่ารูปร่างนะคะ
Okay, how do you spell it? Shapes.
SHAPES
Okay, shapes, right.
Shapes.
What's this? It's a shape. It's kind of shape. What is it?
It's not an 8. Yes, round.
Yeah, round, correct.
Round. Round.
How do you spell it?
ROUND
Okay.
Very good.
What's this?
credit card
Credit card.
Correct.
Very good.
Credit card.
Okay, repeat everybody.
Credit card.
credit
Credit card. Very good.
Okay, how do you spell it?
CREDIT CARD
Very good.
Okay, credit card. And well, we have some extra words here. And they are these, become and look like. So what does word become means? I don't want this. What does the word become means?
เด็กๆเคยได้ยินคำว่า become ไหมคะ
Become.
become can become เคยใช่ไหม
become,
It actually means to change, develop into, to be something. So somebody is not something, but then is something. Then so it actually he became something. Life has become easier thanks to inventions like the plane. So it was harder and then it's easier. So it became easier.
Life has become easier thanks to inventions like the plane.
Can you explain become in Thai, Teacher Pia?
yes teacher become ก็คือแปลว่ากลายมาเป็นนะคะเด็กหรือว่าภาษาไทยมันจะมีความหมายหนึ่งประมาณว่าจากเปลี่ยนจาก1เป็น2อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะอาจก็ยังคงรูปเดิมแต่อาจจะแปลว่าดีขึ้นหรือว่าแย่ลงประมาณนี้เขาเลยใช้คำว่า become หรือว่าเปลี่ยนนั่นเอง
Like he become a doctor.
yes
Yes, he was no doctor and now he is doctor, so he become a doctor.
ใช่
So look like, to have same appearance as somebody, something else. So if it's look like, then the appearance, how it looks is the same. For example, their house looks like a castle from a children's story. It's actually not a castle from a children's story, but it look like.
Their house looks like a castle from a children's story.
Okay, can you maybe add some explanation, Teacher Pia?
yes คำว่า look like ค่ะมันจะแปลว่าดูเหมือนหรือดูคล้ายก็คือมันไม่ได้เหมือน exactly 100% แต่แบบว่ามันจะดูคล้ายๆ it's look like a dog อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะถามว่าเป็นหมาเหมือนหมาไหมก็ไม่เหมือนทั้งหมดอะไรประมาณนี้ is that clear มีคำถามไหมคะคำว่า look like เหมือนteacher อย่างเงี้ย teacher I have got a sister อะไรอย่างเงี้ย I have got one sister and she looks like me อะไรอย่างเงี้ยดูเหมือน teacher อะไรอย่างงี้หน้าตาเหมือนกันแต่ถามว่าคนเดียวกันไหม no okay teacher Sawa you
Okay,
can
cool.
go on
So now let's move on. The next activity, and you will be guessing. You don't have to have correct answers now. Just be guessing whether it's true or false. And you can actually vote or you don't have to vote. So you can use the reactions for voting true or false, yes or no. First one. Some people use shells to buy things in the past, or you can you write for yourself in your book in activity 1. Yeah, Teacher Pia explained them that they don't have to be correct. They don't have to be afraid of being incorrect.
เด็กคะในพาร์ทที่1นะคะ activity 1นะคะเป็นการ guess นะคะเป็นการ guess ก่อนที่เราจะไปอ่าน it's okay to be wrong it's okay to be correct นะคะไม่มีผิดไม่มีถูกเนาะเพราะเรายังไม่เคยอ่านเด็กๆสามารถนะคะดู reaction นะคะได้ในour Zoom นะคะ like yes for true and no for false นะคะอันนี้คือความคิดเห็นของเด็กๆเลยได้หมดเลยนะคะไม่มีผิดไม่มีถูกนะคะ if you ready we can go
Okay, so some people used shells to buy things in the past. True or false? What do you think?
True. I think true.
somebody say true
Yeah, you can vote by reactions.
เด็กสามารถใช้
Some
reaction ได้
people
เลย
used
นะคะ
shells to buy things in the past.
Come on we don't know your answer
Okay. All coins were round in the past. All coins were round in the past.
เหรียญสมัยก่อนเป็นลักษณะกลมๆทั้งหมดเลยหรือเปล่า you
I
can
think
do
no.
reaction
I do the erect.
Somebody say no I don't think so. Someone say no.
The USA is the only country that uses dollars. Yes or no?
It's okay to be wrong นะคะเพราะที่เชื่อก็เดาเหมือนกัน
The USA is the only country that uses dollars. 4. All European countries use the euro today. All European countries use the euro today. True or false?
ยูโรเป็นสกุลเงินนะคะ เป็น currency ของฝั่งยุโรปนะคะ
Teacher Pia, are you logged in?
Yes teacher but today we cannot like how would I say we cannot schedule all the time because of the system is error so it might be
Okay,
like limited 40 minutes we can go back
Yeah, okay. Credit cards are also called plastic money. True or false?
เครดิตการ์ดถูกเรียกว่าพลาสติกมันนี่หรือเปล่า True or false somebody say no
Credit cards are also called plastic money. True or false? Okay, now we'll just look to these pictures. And what do you think this article would be about? If you are looking on the pictures.
Look at the pictures what do you think about it ดูจากรูปเราคิดว่าจะเป็นเรื่องอะไรคะ You can turn on your mind นะคะ ดูจากรูปแล้วว่าเด็กคิดว่าน่าจะเป็นเรื่องอะไรเอ่ยที่เรากำลังจะอ่านกัน
What do you think?
I want to hear from Boom 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 are you there Boom ไม่อยู่
Yes.
Boom what do you think about we are going to read today
อะไร
ดู
นะค
จา
รั
ก
บ
รูปคิดว่าเรื่องนี้เราจะพูดเรื่องอะไรกันคะ Look at the
นี่จะ
pictures อือหือ
พูดเรื่องเงินตั้งแต่อดีตถึงปัจจุบัน
we talk about money ใช่ไหม money
Yes.
from the past to the present okay
Yes.
very good Boom
Okay, so now you will read along as I will play the audio. So you can listen and read for yourself on your own. Do you understand? Okay. So now listen and read at the same time.
2. Listen, read, and check your answers in Activity 1.
Fact file. Money. In the past, people didn't have bills or coins. They used stones, shells, seeds, and even salt to buy things. People first used coins 2,600 years ago in Lydia, Asia Minor. They mixed gold and silver to make them. Coins became popular in Europe and Asia soon after that. Early coins were very interesting. They weren't round. In Olbia, a city near the Black Sea, they had some coins in the shape of a dolphin or fish. The first Chinese coins were in the shape of shells and tools. In Thailand, they had coins that looked like rings. The Chinese started using paper money in 1000 CE because their coins were too heavy. The name dollar comes from a silver coin called a thaler. In Europe, people used thalers for almost 400 years. Today, dollars are not only used in the USA, they are also used in Canada, Australia, and in other countries. Of course, all these dollars are different from US dollars. On January 1st, 2002, 12 countries in Europe started using the euro. The euro is used by millions of Europeans. Not all European countries use the euro, though. Today, the euro is used by over 320 million Europeans. Today, credit cards are used by lots of people. These small plastic cards are used instead of money. That's why they're called plastic money. The first credit cards appeared in the early 1950s in the USA, and now people all around the world use them.
Okay, so now we will have a chance to check our answers. So some people use shells to buy things in the past, true or false?
เด็กๆคะพาร์ทที่หนึ่งค่ะ Is it true
Uh,
that we use shells in
Teacher
the
Pia, you
past?
can choose a volunteer.
It's true, but it's didn't given in the listening.
Well, it's there.
Is
Inside the shells, but they didn't give this in this article.
It
yes,
is. In the
they
past,
mentioned in the
people,
past.
you see, in the
On the f-
past, people
on the
didn't
first
have
one, like-
bills or coins. They used stones, shells, seeds,
I
and
see.
even salt to buy things.
Yes.
You see? Seeds,
เจอไหมส
shells.
มาร์ท
I see.
Okay, what about two?
โอเค
All coins were round in the past. True or false?
It's not true. Sometimes it look like a fish or a dolphin or some.
Right.
yes
Early coins were very interesting. They were round. In the shape of dolphin or a fish. 3. The USA is the only country that Right. Today dollars are not only used in the USA, they are also used in Canada, Australia, and in other countries. 4. All European countries use the euro today.
is that correct
All European countries use the euro today. Is it correct or not?
ประเทศฝั่งยุโรปยังใช้สกุลเงินยุโรปอยู่ไหมคะยูโร
All
อยู่ไหม
European
คะ
countries use the euro today.
What do you
I
think
think
about
they
it?
use, but not all.
Right.
You're
For
right
example, Slovakia does use euro, but Czech Republic use Czech crowns. So
What is that type of money?
Czech crowns are used in Czech Republic, and Slovakia use euro.
Oh.
So it's not also false. 5. Credit cards are also called plastic money. True or false?
True.
true
Right, true. Plastic money. That's why they are called plastic money. Okay. Now, is there somebody who would like to read the whole article aloud for us?
I want to.
Okay. So I will actually first read questions in activity number 3, and then we will connect again because we will be running out of time, and then Smart can read the article for us. So okay, let's look up 3. Read again and answer the questions. So think about. You should also read by yourself, by the way, when Smart will be reading. So read again and answer the questions. How did people buy things in the past? When did the first coin appear? In which city did people use coins that looked like dolphins? And what were the first Chinese coins like? Okay, so there are these questions. Read again and answer the questions. How did people buy things in the past? When did the first coins appear? In which city did people use coins that looked like dolphins? And what were the first Chinese coins like? And 5. Where does the word dollar come from? 6. Where is the euro used? 7. When and where did credit cards first appear? Teacher Pia, can you explain that they should connect again?
sorry
You should connect again. Can you explain them that they should connect again to
เปิ
Zoom?
ดไม่ตลอดเพราะอย่างนี้ยแหละ
เดี๋ยวเราจะเดี๋ยวมันจะตัดนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะกลับมาอ่านพร้อมกันอีกรอบหนึ่งนะคะ so while we have running of time นะคะเด็กๆสามารถอ่านรอก่อนได้นะคะระหว่างนี้